Airports, those magnificent human terrariums where people lose luggage, patience, and occasionally the will to live. You know the vibe. That suspiciously long security line, the $14 bottled water, the emotional breakdown over Zone 4 boarding calls. Welcome to Passport Pointers, the channel where we turn travel chaos into travel confidence. No fluff, no cliches, no just bring a neck pillow advice, real hacks that make flying feel less like survival and more like strategy. Today, we're breaking down 10 airport hacks every traveler should know. The kind that make you look like a jet-set veteran even if you still forget which side your passport photo is on. Some will save you time, some will save you money, and a few might just save your sanity. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a once-a-year vacationer, still traumatized by your last TSA experience, these are the moves that separate the pros from the do I take my shoes off crowd. Stick around till the end, because I've got a bonus trick that could score you flight vouchers worth hundreds, and maybe even a free vacation. So buckle up, subscribe if you love a smoother trip, and let's make the airport your new natural habitat. The goal isn't just to survive travel, it's to dominate it. Let's go. You know that classic arrive 2 hours early rule? Cute. But in 2025, we have data. Instead of panic packing the car at dawn and then spending 90 minutes staring at gate screens like they'll sprout wings, use the real-time wait time tools built right into Google Maps, the TSA app, or your airport site. These little miracles pull data from other travelers' phones to show how long security is actually taking, not some vague estimate from the 1990s. That means you can time your commute perfectly. Leave later if the lines are short, or sprint if it looks like a luggage-dragging apocalypse. Add live traffic data, and suddenly, you're not a frantic human. You're a travel tactician. Think of it like fantasy football for your flight schedule. And yes, checking wait times before you order that caramel macchiato can save you from the dreaded final boarding call for passenger U announcement. If you travel often, bookmark your airport's live dashboard right on your home screen. It takes 30 seconds and it's more reliable than the psychic powers you pretend to have when deciding what time to leave. Real-time info equals real-world calm. Because nothing feels better than breezing into security while other people are hyperventilating with their shoes half off. That, my friend, is what we call traveler evolution. Here's one of those weird psychological truths about airports. Humans always go right. It's instinct. At a fork, at a gate, at a buffet, we follow the herd like confused salmon. So when you reach that security bottleneck and everyone veers right, do yourself a favor and veer left. Left side lanes are usually shorter, quieter, and statistically full of more seasoned travelers who know how to undress efficiently. It's not glamorous, but it's effective. You'll dodge the family reunion with 17 carry-ons, the guy trying to negotiate with TSA about his gallon of cologne, and the rookie traveler wearing 12 layers to save suitcase space. Going left buys you precious minutes and a smug sense of superiority. And if both sides look the same, choose the line with more business attire. Those folks treat security like NASCAR pit stops. Of course, no hack is foolproof. Sometimes left lines hide rogue baby strollers or that one passenger who insists on arguing about their water bottle's emotional support status. But 9 times out of 10, left is your golden ticket to sanity. It's such a simple move that once you do it, you'll start judging everyone who doesn't. Congratulations. You've unlocked your first secret level of airport enlightenment. Let's talk about skipping lines. Legally, if you travel even twice a year, you need to stop rolling the dice with standard TSA and invest in some actual convenience. TSA PreCheck costs around $80 for 5 years. That's less than one sad airport lunch and saves you hundreds of minutes over time. You keep your shoes on, laptop in bag, belt buckled, dignity intact. It's the closest thing to VIP life most of us will ever get. If you go international, global entry is like the deluxe edition. You breeze through customs with facial scans and a polite welcome home instead of the soul-crushing passport queue. It includes PreCheck, so it's a 2-for-1 deal. Clear, on the other hand, is the high-tech speed pass that uses your eyeballs to get you through security faster. But it's pricey, like Netflix Premium times 4. If you hate crowds, it's worth it. If you're broke, stick with PreCheck and Swagger. Apply for these during your next airport layover instead of doom scrolling. Many airports even let you walk up for interviews without appointments. And once you've used them, you'll never go back. You'll stroll past the barefoot chaos like a calm travel deity, whispering peasant under your breath. Okay, don't actually whisper that, but you'll want to. This one sounds paranoid until you realize airports and train stations are pickpocket playgrounds. You're distracted, tired, juggling snacks, passports, and an existential crisis over gate changes. It's prime time for opportunists. So create a decoy, an old wallet with expired cards, and a few singles. That's your sacrificial lamb. Keep your real wallet hidden. Neck pouch, money belt, inside jacket pocket, whatever works. If someone ever grabs the fake, you lose $3 and a used Starbucks gift card while your actual finances remain intact. Bonus, the thief feels like they scored, so you avoid confrontation. James Bond would approve. It's practical minimalism mixed with chaotic genius. This trick works for luggage too. Throw an obvious lock on a cheap exterior pocket and stash valuables in less obvious compartments. Petty thieves love low-effort targets. Don't be one. And before you roll your eyes and think, that'll never happen to me, just remember, neither did everyone else on that airport lost and found list. Be smart, not sorry, because nothing ruins vacation vibes like canceling credit cards while explaining to customer service that yes, your wallet was fake, mostly. The airport charging hunt, a timeless ritual. You spot one outlet 20 feet away, guarded by a stranger with 3 devices and the expression of someone defending buried treasure. Instead of begging for a plug like a digital peasant, bring a travel power strip, a small one that fits in your palm. Bonus points if it has USB-C ports. Suddenly, you're not just charging your phone, you're supplying power to the people. It's humanitarian work. Honestly, you'll make instant friends. The desperate traveler whose battery is at 3%, the parent keeping a toddler entertained, the business bro who didn't plan ahead, all will see you as the hero of Gate 12. And if you don't want friends, fine. You can still hog 4 outlets guilt-free while sipping your overpriced coffee like a boss. Get one with surge protection and international plug adapters. They're cheap and make you look like someone who has their life together. Because when everyone else's phone dies during a delay and yours is at 98%, that's not luck. That's preparation with style. Lounges are not mythical. You don't need to wear a suit or own a yacht. Thanks to travel cards, airline partnerships, and apps like Lounge Buddy, you can often get in free or for $25. Inside, quiet. Power outlets, snacks, sometimes showers, sometimes entire buffets. It's like discovering a secret level in the airport game, one where no one's fighting over armrests. If you don't have lounge access, consider getting a credit card that offers it. Even one used per trip covers the annual fee in saved meals, Wi-Fi, and sanity. You'll relax instead of sitting in a metal chair under fluorescent lights that feel like interrogation lamps. Ask if your lounge participates in Priority Pass or Plaza Premium. Many do, and they'll let you in even if you're flying economy. Once you've tasted the free cappuccino life, you'll never go back to balancing coffee on your suitcase in the terminal hallway. Lounges aren't a luxury, they're a lifestyle. Here's a little chaos wrapped in genius. Ask the airline staff to mark your bag fragile, even if it contains socks and emotional baggage. Why? Because fragile bags usually get loaded last and unloaded first. Translation, your suitcase appears before everyone else's while they're still standing around doing that awkward luggage carousel lean. No, it's not foolproof, but it's free, and it gives your bag that aura of handle me like royalty. You'll also make handlers think you're transporting something important, like camera gear or fine wine, not your 6th pair of sandals. Just maybe don't actually pack glass bottles to test fate. It's a hack, not a challenge. Combine this trick with a brightly colored strap or AirTag, and you'll always spot your luggage first. And verify it hasn't taken an unauthorized vacation to Cleveland. Be smart, be sneaky, and enjoy that satisfying moment when the carousel spins. Your bag pops out first, and everyone else mutters, "How did they do that?" Airport sorcery. That's how. Yes, we all know. Bring an empty bottle through security. But why not upgrade? Grab a collapsible silicone one with a built-in filter. It folds up small and makes you look like someone who knows what hydration is. Airports overcharge for water because they can. $7 for liquid in a tuxedo bottle? No thanks. Refill at the hydration station after security. Most airports have them now, and you'll save money and karma. Hydration matters more than you think. Flying dehydrates you faster than a cheap hangover. You'll feel tired, cranky, and wonder why you suddenly aged 5 years mid-flight. Drink water early, often, and smartly. Add electrolyte packets if you're fancy, or lemon if you want to feel like a wellness influencer. If you forget your bottle, most cafes will give you free water if you ask nicely. Don't be that person paying premium prices for H2O when the universe literally gives it away. Travel smarter, sip sustainably, and feel superior while everyone else is panic buying Fiji. Picture this. You board a 12-hour flight, settle in, open Netflix, and boom, no Wi-Fi. The plane system costs $20 an hour, and you suddenly realize your only downloaded movie is the Emoji Movie, Pain. Avoid this tragedy. Before leaving home, download your favorite shows, playlists, podcasts, and offline maps. Do it on Wi-Fi, save your data, and guarantee entertainment nirvana. Use Google Maps offline mode for your destination too. You'll thank yourself when you're wandering unfamiliar streets with no service but total confidence. And here's a power move. Put your phone in airplane mode but keep Wi-Fi on. It saves battery while letting you stream downloads. Bonus. You won't get that one text from your boss asking about Monday. Preparation is freedom. Downloading your fun before flying means you're not at the mercy of weak plane Wi-Fi or weird in-flight movie choices. Don't gamble your mood, preload your joy. The gate change panic. Attention passengers, Flight 307 now departing from gate B12. Chaos, stampede, but not for you. When you see that update, calmly head to the new gate, because you know opportunity smells like jet fuel. Walk up, politely greet the gate agent, and ask if they need help with seat reassignments. Sometimes, that kindness earns you an upgrade when they shuffle passengers. Other times, you get early boarding or prime seat swaps. If your flight's overbooked and you have schedule flexibility, volunteer. Airlines throw vouchers like confetti, sometimes hundreds in credit, free meals, even hotel stays. You lose a few hours, gain a mini vacation fund. Being helpful pays. And for the love of boarding groups, don't yell at gate staff. They're secretly the gatekeepers of miracles. Smile, stay calm, and let others be the drama. You'll be boarding calmly while chaos brews behind you. That's not luck. That's strategy. If you learned even one new thing today, and come on, you absolutely did, show some love. Hit subscribe, drop a plane emoji in the comments, and share your weirdest airport story. The best one might end up in a future episode. We're building a tribe of travelers who pack smarter, fly smoother, and laugh louder at the chaos around them. Remember, travel doesn't have to be stressful. It can be strategic. You don't need fancy miles or private jets, just the right hacks, a sense of humor, and the confidence to walk left when everyone goes right. We'll keep giving you the tricks the airlines don't want you to know, the tools to make travel easier, and the occasional sarcastic pep talk to get you through TSA. This is Passport Pointers, your upgrade to stress-free travel, one sarcastic life hack at a time. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and may your bag always arrive before you do.